how to pause snap streaks in Snapchat. So if you want to pause snap streaks in your Snapchat, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Snapchat on your Play Store. So open up your Play Store, go with search and search for Snapchat. After searching, you will have your Snapchat application right here. So you just need something, go with update if you have any updates on your Snapchat. After updating, tap on open, which will be on the right side. After opening your Snapchat, what you should do is be a Plus subscriber of Snapchat. You need to pay for that because this feature for Snapchat is not available for free. After you do that, when you long press on your friend, like if you go with your friends and if you long press on your friend, you'll see an option of freeze snap. You can simply freeze your snap score like that by being a Plus subscriber of Snapchat. You can go with your profile and then you can just go with Snapchat Plus and then take a Snapchat Plus subscription. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.